Good morning, Eicher's class. Happy election day. Okay. 3.1, integers and number lines. I can use a number line to compare, add, and subtract. Did we use a number line to compare, add, and subtract?
Yes.
Integer, whole number, or the opposite of the whole number, right? Positive number is bigger than what?
0.
Negative number is smaller than what?
0.
What does this symbol mean? What does it kind of look like? It kind of looks like an L that's tipped up, right? What's this symbol mean? Okay, if I said a gain of 20, you guys said a gain of 20, if I had to write it as a number, it would just literally be the number 20, right? If I said a loss of 10, you guys said it would be negative 10 as a number, right? Do these words help us to understand? We call those keywords. Say keywords. Keywords help us understand if a number is going to be a positive or a negative. We good with that? I think you guys were pretty good at that. Number lines. True or false? When we draw number lines in our class, the first thing we do is draw a horizontal line. True or false?
True.
Should we put arrows at each end?
True.
That shows that the number line keeps going in both directions, right? Then, after we do that, we're going to put a what in the middle?
0.
What are these little things called? Tick marks, right? So we're going to put a 0 in the middle, and then we're going to put tick marks. Do the tick marks have to be the same on both sides of 0?
Yes.
So I have 4 here and 4 there, right?
Yes.
If I asked you to graph 4 on a number line, and you made your number line, would graphing it simply involve putting a dot where the 4 would be?
Yes.
Yeah, that's it, right? If I asked you to draw a number line and graph something like 28, do you literally have to put every single tick mark in?
No.
Look, I actually numbered by 4s here, didn't I?
Yes.
Is that legal? As long as I number by 4s in all directions, yes? Can you use a number line to add or subtract?
Yes.
What's the number I started with in 3 plus 2? What's your first number?
3.
So we put our tick mark at 3, right?
Yes.
And plus means we're going to the, and we're just going to use, what are these little things called? And then we draw an arrow to the number that it equals, yes?
Yes.
You with me over there, guys? You with me? Now, if I wanted to go in the opposite direction, if I was subtracting, I bunny hop just to the left, right? We good? Sometimes would you cross over the 0? I think that's the most important time to use a number line. When you're crossing over 0, either going from a negative to a positive or from a positive to a negative. Inequality symbols. What's this mean again? What's this mean? And we already know equals is the same as, right? Read this inequality on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. Read this inequality on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. And read this inequality on the count of 3. 1, 2, 3. You guys okay?